Japan, a land of captivating contrasts. Picture snow-capped Mount Fuji, a majestic cone piercing the sky. Imagine delicate cherry blossoms, their pink petals carpeting ancient temples. Then shift your focus to the towering skyscrapers of Tokyo, a metropolis pulsing with neon lights. This is Japan, a country where ancient traditions and futuristic visions intertwine seamlessly. From the moment you step onto Japanese soil, you're greeted with a sense of wonder. The air hums with a unique energy, a blend of serenity and excitement. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace in ancient shrines or thrilling adventures in bustling cities, Japan offers a journey of discovery for every soul. It's a place where the past is respected, the present is embraced, and the future is eagerly anticipated. Join me as we delve into the heart of this extraordinary country. We'll explore the vibrant streets of Tokyo, where robots serve coffee and technology knows no bounds. We'll wander through the peaceful gardens of Kyoto, where geishas glide in their elegant kimonos, their faces painted with tradition. From the bustling fish markets to the serene mountaintop temples, Japan promises an unforgettable journey. Tokyo, the beating heart of Japan, is a city of dazzling contrasts. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their glass facades reflecting the city's relentless energy. Neon lights illuminate the streets, casting an otherworldly glow on the crowds below. This is a city that never sleeps, a place where innovation and tradition collide in a symphony of sights and sounds. Step into Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest intersection, and feel the energy of thousands of people navigating this urban jungle. Explore the futuristic district of Odaiba, where robots serve you coffee and giant Gundam statues stand guard. Lose yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Shinjuku, with its countless bars, restaurants, and entertainment venues. But Tokyo is more than just a concrete jungle. It's also a city of serene parks, ancient temples, and exquisite gardens. Find tranquility in the Imperial Palace Gardens, a green oasis in the heart of the city. Pay your respects at the Meiji Shrine, a serene sanctuary dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin. And don't forget to indulge in Tokyo's culinary delights. From the futuristic cityscape of Tokyo, we journey to Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan. Here, time seems to slow down. The air is filled with the scent of incense, and the gentle strumming of the shamisen echoes through the streets. Kyoto is a city of temples, gardens, and traditional tea houses, a place where the past is still very much alive. Wander through the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding up the mountainside. Explore the serene beauty of Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, its shimmering reflection dancing on the surface of a tranquil pond. And lose yourself in the enchanting Gion district, where geishas, the epitome of Japanese elegance, glide through the streets in their exquisite kimonos. Kyoto is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to soak up its peaceful atmosphere and discover hidden gems around every corner. Attend a traditional tea ceremony and experience the ritualistic beauty of this ancient practice. Visit a Zen garden and find peace and tranquility amidst the carefully raked gravel and moss-covered stones. No journey through Japan is complete without indulging in its extraordinary cuisine. From the delicate flavors of sushi to the hearty warmth of ramen, Japanese food is a feast for the senses. It's a cuisine that emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients, prepared with meticulous care and an artistic touch. Sushi, perhaps Japan's most famous culinary export, is an art form in itself. Master sushi chefs spend years honing their skills, slicing fresh fish with precision, and crafting each piece of sushi with meticulous care. Ramen, another Japanese staple, offers a comforting bowl of warmth and flavor. From the rich, savory broths to the perfectly cooked noodles and variety of toppings, ramen is a culinary adventure in itself. But Japanese cuisine goes far beyond sushi and ramen. Explore the world of yakitori, skewers of grilled chicken or tempura, lightly battered and deep-fried seafood and vegetables. Indulge in the delicate flavors of Wagyu beef, known for its rich marbling and buttery texture. And don't forget to try matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, used in everything from traditional tea ceremonies to lattes and desserts.